Yes, this is Carlos. I received this board from ElectroPartsOnline.com. It's a board for a 47-inch Vizio TV, and it's the model is, or actually this part number is 3647 0012 0150. And what I'm here is, before I initially install this board to the TV, I wanted to make sure the primary components of the input voltage, plus or minus 5 volts, the fuses on this board is okay. I've had issues with past boards that I ordered, and always the 1.5 or 1.5 amp fuse is always bad. And I'm checking this board as I just opened it, as you can see right here, carefully, and I'm keeping the cardboard backing reinforcement on the bottom, and I have my Craftsman digital voltmeter on continuity right here, as you can see right here, and I'm going to check carefully all the fuses here on this board. The 5 amp fuse, the 3 amp fuse, and the 1.5 as follows. The 5 amp is working, it's got continuity. The 3 amp got continuity, and it looks like the 1.5 amp is busted. That's the 3, and that's the 5 going from left to right. I'm going to go right to left now again. 5 amp, 3 amp, 1.5. That's good. That's good. And the 1.5. Nothing. No continuity. Just want to give you a heads up. I don't want to install this and mess up the board anymore with more handling and connecting and disconnecting connectors. So I'm going to call you guys at this toll number, and I am appreciative of your technical support to see what you tell me about this. Thank you.